heartwarming acts of kindness that will make you cry. If you're hoping to find the best ways to foster compassion and make the world a better place, then today's video is exactly what you need. Watch from start to finish to uncover the answer your heart is seeking. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any loving moments. Many people come to the aid of a woman who fainted at the wheel while driving on a road in Boynton Beach, Florida. They stopped, got out of their cars, and together prevented the moving vehicle to rescue the driver. A woman waiting for a delivery was pleasantly surprised to see a police officer standing at her door.
No, I'm not who you're expecting.
Hi.
Your driver got arrested for mistakes he had to take care of.
Although delivery isn't a police officer's responsibility, this officer didn't want anyone to go hungry. A surprise birthday celebration, though simple, yet filled with love, was organized just for him. Everyone wished his smile would always shine bright forever. They can go many places together because she's always ready to be his legs.
Nossa, vocês dois são lindos.
In times of illness and pain, the presence of beloved horses serves as encouragement and comfort to him, despite some believing horses can't have feelings. Helping an elderly person cross the street is a small yet profoundly meaningful act. Though simple, its impact can spread and provide encouragement to the person being helped. Remember to always take the time to do this, as it can positively change someone's life. Always do good, for just one small act can make your day and those around you better. He's not just a beloved neighbor, but also a patriotic citizen worthy of respect. Just one act, surely kindness will then be spread. When you have a special fan, only you can create memorable moments for them.
Nico, go ahead, take a picture.
Becoming a superhero becomes easier when you have a father who always supports your dreams. Today is Father's Day, and what's special is that the gift reminds him of his father, who passed away 5 days ago. Love and memories of his father will surely stay in his heart forever.
No more candy. Oh no.
While kids try to hoard their candies, we saw one kid generously give some away.
There we go.
Look at how the kitten tilts his head up to kiss the person who saved it. That's how it expresses its gratitude. The heartwarming reactions of these newly walking children when they see each other on the street will make your day great. Do you remember the viral video about the man organizing a birthday for his dog on the street? After the video, thousands wanted to help him. Nowadays, Jose and his puppies are no longer homeless. Animals are human friends. It's wonderful when we empathize with this little friend. A special pair of feet and a loyal friend not everyone gets.
A fire broke out, and when searching for the remains, this firefighter found an unconscious cat. Immediately, he put on an oxygen mask and sprayed water to cool the cat. Cancer is a difficult disease to cure. These 3 boys cut off their hair to motivate her. There were no regulations that required him to do so, but he was ready to remove piles of trash to help clear the drains. His actions made many people ashamed, thanking him for his chivalrous actions. Seeing the man struggle to cross the street, this taxi driver was ready to jump out of the car to help him. A rare accident happened. This man's leg was stuck in the gap of the subway. Very lucky for him to have met these kind people. Another video about human love between strangers. Together, they overturned the car that was in an accident to help the man escape. Thank you, nameless heroes. The old lady ordered a cake and celebrated her birthday alone. There's nothing scarier than loneliness in old age. Everyone around celebrated her birthday together. What do you feel about this warm action? She heard her son's heartbeat in another baby's chest. Her baby died, and her heart was donated to another girl who needed it.
More hugs, please. It's perfect.
Police organized a special birthday for a 5-year-old boy during the COVID period. The boy had a memorable birthday.
And some special gifts for you, okay?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Say
birthday,
thank
buddy.
you.
This teacher had his favorite pair of shoes stolen, so his students surprised him with a brand new pair.
It's me. It's me.
Are you serious? Oh.
Yes.
You're gonna make me cry, girl.
Oh.
It's time to say goodbye. We've explored and experienced wonderful things in this video together. To continue sharing love and spreading beauty, hit the subscribe button to not miss any meaningful moments in the future. Don't forget to like and share this video with your loved ones to inspire them. Goodbye, and we'll see you in the next video.